really be a good day. The weather's supposed to be play out as good as possible. Even better, last night came in the mail from Amazon. I got well, this is a nice tool. I want to show this. Of course, I have to change tires on a pretty regular basis here. This is the Motion Pro bead breaker, which if you were really interested, you could look out on YouTube and just dial in Motion Pro bead breaker. And it's an upgraded tool. I thought it's something I should have in my inventory. We still have two more tires to change before the summer actually gets here. And I'm looking at this and I'm reading the directions and I've watched the video, and it looks like this is something nice we've added to our inventory of tools. And of course, next time we change a tire, we'll give it a try and see if it's as good as they say it is. And the first time I saw the video on this, I thought, yeah, that's a good thing to add to my inventory of tools. And it just happened I was ordering other stuff and I saw this, and it's about a $50 tool. It's from Motion Pro, and actually everything I've gotten from Motion Pro has been decent quality. So this is the next thing we're going to be doing. Next time we have to change a tire, you'll get to see firsthand if it works, or if it works for me. Now, it's a really nice thing to get up in the morning and hear the lawnmowers and leaf blowers, and everybody's out working in their garden and checking out the weather and looking to see if it's going to be a riding day, and today it is. Now, I know this is really hard to believe, but yesterday, at the end of what amounted to be a beautiful day, Karen decided that today she's going to make a cake. Now, for us to have a cake in the house, see, I have no willpower. This is the problem. And I know she's in there baking away at the cake because I'm already thinking about it. I never realized I have zero willpower when it comes to cake. Cake and cookies too, by the way. Come on, you guys. You gotta be as hungry as I am this morning. So the farm is growing, and if you only knew, in a couple of days, it's about 3 or 4 days, we've been eating lettuce out of our lettuce patch here. And originally the groundhog was, but he's now playing for the New York Giants, as I've said. And we got our tomato cages in yesterday. We got tomato cages, we got tomatoes, oh my God, we got lettuce, we got arugula, tall Hawaiian grasses. More tomatoes. And you know what? Karen wants more stuff from the garden center. We're going to go down this afternoon and see if we can buy some more stuff. What a great hobby. You can't go wrong planting a garden because you can always eat it. Imagine if you bought a bike and you didn't like it, and so when you're all done with the bike, instead of selling it, you put it on eBay, you just eat it. All of these tomatoes that were once the tiny little plants, not going to be long, we're going to be having homemade tomato paste or whatever she makes with these things. And I just love coming out here every morning, watering, looking at the farm. Now actually, this is the back room of our, like a sunroom or something. This year, what we did, we converted that shelf to growing some things from seeds. Karen has decided next year she wants to put several shelves in here so we can have this whole window and we could do hundreds and hundreds of little plants. So it's just like motorcycles. It never ends. You always want more.
Eating a pineapple coconut angel food cake.
Pineapple coconut, say it again?
Angel food cake.
Oh my God. I have no willpower at all. Oh, I'll have to invite Luciano over. He has no willpower either. So while I'm waiting for the coffee to brew, I'm going to be smelling that wonderful cake. And oh my God, I can't believe it. It's still pretty early and the sun is just starting to break out. There's very little chance of rain. I think it was less than 10%. But it is cloudy, and sometimes when it's cloudy, the footage doesn't come out as good as when it's sunny. Now the good news is when I get back from the ride, this is going to be a cake. I'll be thinking about this all during the ride today. nice ride, and that cider mill, feel like going in and getting some apple cider. Anyway, that's all beside the point, because we have a cake. When I get into the house right now, I know that cake is going to be waiting there. Anyway, hope you did enjoy the video, and the sun never really came out. We had a couple of raindrops, but didn't spoil the ride at all. And hope you enjoyed sharing it. But again, I always like to remind myself and look around, and our healthcare workers are keeping us healthy, keeping us safe. Thank you very much, guys, one and all. So again, hope you did enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. Well, this day certainly ended on a positive note. The lovely Mrs. Ertnowski took the cake out. It is as fluffy as can be. And now we'll put my willpower to the test. But I already know who's going to lose. Willpower is such a wonderful thing to have. Well, Karen took her piece, the rest is mine. I don't think so.